Welcome back to the cabin build. I'm Avram Wise. In this video I've got some very interesting stuff. Finished off that wall that's behind you right now, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Before I do that, I'm just going to install this log burner. I just got this log burner. It's a mental piece, this. I've just gone to get myself some bits. I got myself a flue bit here, got myself a roof cowl. I'm now going to go and install this now. So I've just marked out that square there. That's where my flue is going to be going through. Got that hole, made a nice mess here. It's really wet and dark up on the roof, and all I have is this little work light, so I'm not going to film it, but I'm going to stick this through there. Just going to go up to the top and stick that on there with the rubber cowl.
Can I have also that after can I have Libby, you can nicely get all now me.
well, that's all that. I think it's mahogany all in my cabin. Just got this wall to do. At the moment I've got a tapestry up there because it's an unfinished wall and it just didn't feel so nice sitting in front of that silver insulation. So when I get a minute, I just need to de-nail these and nail them onto that wall so it'll look nice, make a nice wall out of that. It's nice and cozy here. To filling in that hole above the window. De-nailed on all these boards. They look like mahogany. Don't know what they are. If you think you can see what wood this is just from this video, put it in the comments below. Good morning, welcome back to the cabin. I had all this mahogany, as you saw me bringing it all in. I couldn't really figure out what to do with it, and I had an idea. As you can see, I've just put this one piece of timber down here. So I'm gonna timber it down the side, down the bottom, down there, and that's gonna be like in a frame, so it looks like you're looking out onto that scenery. Behind it is insulated anyway. It doesn't have to be solid, and then I can always change this tapestry. So I've done that. I've left a little bit of a frame in there. I'm going to stick that nice tapestry that I had before in there. I think the colours are amazing. You've got some nice yellows and reds and dark colours and light colours. I think it looks really nice. I'm just missing that strip there. I need to cut on my table saw. Another strip there I need to cut on my table saw. And then I'm going to come back afterwards. I'm not sure, I might put like a oak frame around that just to make it a bit beefier around the frame. I'll see what it looks like once I've got the picture in. And yeah, that was some hard work today. It's quite warm here today. Do you know, I just realised I've just been sitting in here, the sun's been baking, and I forgot to open the window. But yeah, while I'm working here, I like to keep this couch covered because I've got dust. When I'm not here, rain comes through. When I am here, dust is in there, so dust is in the air. So I've got this picture in there, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a, because obviously now at the moment now you can see the end where I've stapled it down, so, and as well, you know, it's not perfect, and I want to cover these screws, these two screws here, and you've got these gaps. So what I might do is, I'm still thinking about it, so it might not be a definite, I might put an oak trim around it so it looks like a picture frame. But I think it looks great. What do you think? I know it's you've got the insulation, you touch it, you can feel the soft behind. It doesn't bother me, it's insulated, it looks nice, and the main thing is it feels like there's a bit of colour, and it makes me feel like, you know, we're actually in a real cabin even though I'm just in my back garden. I think it looks fantastic. Write in the comment section below what you think about it. If you think this is a good idea, and would you do the same thing? Basically I was grinding these beams. This is what the beams looked like before, and this is what they look like now. Nice and smooth. You can see I've left a bit on there on that bark. What happened was, I did the first one down there, did the second one, and then when I came to this last one, I was up in the corner and the grinder jumped and caught my finger. I'm not sure if you can see that white mark there, where it's white there. I ground out a whole piece of my finger there, literally like 10 mil deep, almost just missed the bone. I ground it out with that grinding disc that I was using because I was in a weird position, very dangerous. Don't do that again. So I've left that one there. You can see I've left that one just as a bit of a memory. I'm gonna leave it like that. So this is the other wall that I did. I just got all my planks and I just screwed them in to just cut them to sort of match each other. I think it looks quite cool. Still have to sort that on the outside, but it's actually quite relaxing sitting here. So that's that wall. We're getting there slowly, we'll get this cabin finished. So I've got basically all the 4 walls done. One thing I've not done in it, I've not filled up that hole, and all those around there. I filled that one in down there. That was quite easy, but it's just seemed a bit harder to do, so I'm just trying to think of an easier way of doing them, or just find some time to do it. I've got these pieces there, those pieces are cut ready to put in, and yeah, I've just taken the flue out because I'm just doing a repair on the roof, which will be in another video. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see further videos, and have an awesome day.